Hello everyone, I am Nandini Bish, Group Leader of the Technical Souls of Class 11th A. We are going to discuss on the topic Technology, Artificial Intelligence and its future, in which we will focus on artificial intelligence. The presentation has been prepared by special contribution of our team members which are Pooja, Lordro, Ishu, Ankit Kumar, Simran Kumari and Ankit Kumar, which is led by me and guided by Mrs. Navneet Kaur ma'am. So let's start with the introduction. Technology, the application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life, or as it is sometimes phrased, the change and manipulation of the human environment. The simplest form of technology is the development and use of basic tools. The prehistoric discovery of how to control fire and later Neolithic revolution increased the available sources of food, and the invention of the wheel helped humans to travel in and control their environment. Artificial intelligence is the combined attribute of science and computer that makes the system or program or any machine perform the intelligent and imaginative functions of a human independently and solution to problems, be able to make decisions. The main aim of artificial intelligence systems is to have the ability to discover which make people increase their performance and productivity over time. Artificial intelligence technology tools include machine learning and deep learning, which gives an analysis report to increase the clarity of planning, reasoning, thinking, problem solving, and also learning. So let's know the history of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a young disciple of 60 years, which is a set of sciences, theories, and techniques that aims to imitate the cognitive ability of a human being. Initiated in the breath of the Second World War, its developments are intimately linked to those of computing and have led computers to perform increasingly complex tasks which could previously only be delegated to a humans. Due to the time limit, we are not going to discuss the history in brief. So the next one is AI in present era. As of today, the developed part of the world have already adopted several AI applications. Apple Siri and Amazon's Alexa, which are basically AI powered virtual personal assistants have already taken the world by storm. The greatest impact of AI has been on the education industry, the manufacturing industry, and the entertainment industry. With the help of AI, many humans' manufacturing activities have been partially or completely replaced. Many manufacturing processes are now automated and can be completed with the tap of a button, all with the help of AI. So now Mr. Ankit Kumar will continue the presentation.
Nandini, myself Ankit Kumar, and I will continue the presentation. The future of AI. AI and allied technologies have already achieved superhuman performance in a juncture of areas, and it is beyond doubt that their capabilities will improve over the years, probably very significantly in 10 years from now, by 2030. Aided by an access to vast data troves, bots powered by intelligent automation will surpass humans in their ability to take complex decisions. AI will drive a vast range of efficiency optimizations, especially into highly rule-based codes which involve manpower. Newer generation of citizens, data scientists, will become more and more dependent on networked AI structure and processes. Network interdependence will increase an enterprise's vulnerability to cyber attacks. There will be sharp gap between digital haves and have-nots, especially those who are technologically dependent on digital infrastructures. The next question will be to answer the commanding heights of digital network infrastructures, ownership and control. Artificial intelligence is empowering the ability for autonomous operations, and the first thing which comes to our mind is autonomous vehicles, but the applications are limitless. The combination of natural language processing, predictive analytics, and the world of intelligent sensor powered by IoT, the Internet of Things, have had a pervasive impact in our daily life. Summing up, AI will be an integral component of an enterprise experience. Organization will increasingly use and sometimes rely on AI system to enhance their production and daily interaction with each other. In the next decade, AI will propel the power of language translation and augmented creativity, bringing a new dimension into digital transformation. So now, Mr. Ankit Kumar will continue the presentation.
I'm Ankit Kumar, starting with the topic pros and cons of artificial intelligence or shortly AI. I will start firstly with the pros and then cons. So the first point is decision taken by a machine are based on a set of algorithms which reduces room for error. That definitely increases the accuracy of a particular task. Now the second one is the ability to take right decisions in a short span of time. It I think it is a boon for the world to do the tedious tasks or the tedious calculations easily. Now, the third point is situations where the safety of a human is unsure, an AI machine that is fitted with predefined algorithms can be used. Now, the fourth point is since the machine does not get tired, it can work continuously without taking any breaks. And there are also so many other pros and cons of artificial intelligence which I am not discussing right now because of the time limitation. Now cons. The first point is the overall cost of implementing an AI machine is huge. Only a few one can make use of it. All peoples are not cannot afford or access it because of the huge implementations of AI machines and they are very costly. Apart from the installation cost, its repair and maintenance also require huge cost. Now the second point is the dependency of humans on machines is ever increasing. That means the number of people who are using artificial intelligence machines are increasing day by day. And the third point is with efficient and 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, AI and automation, human jobs will soon be replaced by machines in the future. That means it will obviously create unemployment. Now, the fourth point is machines cannot think creatively or out of the box and will not perform such tasks. As machines are not creative, they can only do what they are being taught or commanded. Thank you. The presentation will be continued by Ishu.
So until now, you have got to know many things about artificial intelligence. And after get to know about these things, you must be thinking that how our future would be. So all the things you are using nowadays are going to be replaced in the future by smart things. In the future, you would be having self-driving cars, smart robots, smart virtual assistants, and many more. And you would be finding these things everywhere around yourself. Thank you.